Welcome to Ride Horizons, where we explore the latest machines redefining the future of mobility. Today, we dive into something truly unique, the 2026 Maruti Suzuki Mini Tractor. A compact, efficient, and highly practical machine designed to transform farming and small-scale agriculture. A new chapter in innovation. Maruti Suzuki has long been known for affordable cars in India, but with the 2026 Mini Tractor, the company steps into a new segment. This tractor is designed for farmers who need powerful equipment in a small, easy-to-handle form. It is a blend of affordability, modern technology, and versatility that sets it apart from traditional tractors. Compact yet powerful design. The 2026 Mini Tractor stands out with its sleek and compact build, allowing it to navigate narrow farm paths and small fields with ease. Despite its smaller size, it packs a strong engine tuned for consistent torque and fuel efficiency. Maruti Suzuki ensures that farmers can get maximum performance while keeping running costs low. Technology for modern farming. This tractor introduces digital features like a smart dashboard, GPS-based guidance, and fuel monitoring systems. Such innovations make it ideal not only for traditional plowing and tilling but also for precision farming. It shows Maruti's intent to bring automotive-grade technology into the agricultural world. Comfort and durability. The 2026 Mini Tractor is built with farmer comfort in mind. It offers an ergonomic seating position, vibration-reduced controls, and a robust suspension system for uneven terrain. Its durable frame and reliable build quality ensure it can withstand heavy workloads season after season. Affordability and accessibility. Maruti Suzuki's strength has always been affordability, and the Mini Tractor is no exception. Priced for small and medium-scale farmers, it provides an accessible solution without compromising on features. The low maintenance costs further make it a smart investment for long-term use. Final thoughts. The 2026 Maruti Suzuki Mini Tractor is more than just a farming tool, it's a step toward modernizing agriculture. With its compact design, smart features, and cost-effective performance, it represents a bright future for farmers who want efficiency and reliability in one package. Stay tuned with Ride Horizons for more updates on groundbreaking machines that change the way we move and work.